Hi guys and welcome back to the Tech Now channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best HP laptops that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The HP Pavilion X360 offers a versatile computing experience with its innovative 2-in-1 design, seamlessly transitioning between laptop and tablet modes for enhanced flexibility. Featuring a 360-degree hinge, this laptop enables multiple configurations, including laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes, catering to diverse user preferences and tasks. Display options vary across models, ranging from compact 11.6-inch to larger 15.6-inch touch-enabled screens, delivering intuitive interaction and vibrant visuals. Powered by Intel Core processors, from i3 to i7 variants, the Pavilion X360 ensures efficient multitasking and productivity, complemented by ample memory configurations of up to 16GB DDR4 RAM and fast PCIe NVMe SSD storage up to 1TB, providing rapid data access and system responsiveness. The laptop boasts impressive audio quality, with HP speakers tuned by Bang & Olufsen, delivering immersive sound for entertainment and multimedia experiences. HD webcam facilitates clear video calls and conferences, enhancing communication capabilities. Connectivity options include USB ports, an HDMI port, Ethernet jacks, and advanced wireless technologies like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring seamless connectivity with peripherals and networks. With varying battery life reaching up to 11 hours, this laptop supports extended usage without frequent recharging, ideal for on-the-go productivity. Running on Windows 11 Home, the Pavilion X360 integrates a modern and user-friendly operating system, offering enhanced features and performance optimizations for efficient computing. In summary, the HP Pavilion X360 combines versatility, performance, and affordability, making it ideal for users seeking a flexible computing solution adaptable to different tasks and environments, from everyday productivity to multimedia entertainment and creative endeavors. The HP Spectre X360 is a premium 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop designed for professionals and creative users seeking power and versatility. Equipped with an Intel Evo platform 12th generation Core i7 12700H processor, featuring 8 efficient cores and 6 performance cores, this laptop delivers exceptional processing performance with a base frequency of 1.7 GHz, up to 4.7 GHz at max turbo frequency, and Intel Iris Xe graphics for stunning visuals. This laptop boasts a dazzling 16-inch diagonal 3K plus touchscreen display with a resolution of 3072 by 1920, offering vibrant colors and clarity. The display is multi-touch enabled and features Corning Gorilla Glass NBT for durability and reduced glare, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. With 16GB of high-bandwidth DDR4 RAM and a spacious 2TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, the Spectre X360 provides ample memory and storage for seamless multitasking, fast boot-up times, and efficient data transfer. Connectivity options include 2 Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4 Type-C ports, 1 SuperSpeed USB Type-A port, HDMI 2.1, a headphone and microphone combo jack, and a microSD media card reader. The laptop also features Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth for high-speed wireless connectivity. Additional features include a backlit keyboard for comfortable typing in low-light conditions, a fingerprint reader for secure authentication, and the HP rechargeable MPP 2.0 tilt pen for precise input on the touchscreen. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home, offering a beautiful and consistent design, enhanced window layout options, and improved performance. With its advanced features and sleek design, the HP Spectre X360 is an excellent choice for professionals and creatives looking for a high-performance convertible laptop. The HP Envy X360 with 11th generation Intel Core i7 processors is a versatile and high-performance laptop designed for productivity and multimedia tasks. Powered by the Intel Core i7 1165G7 processor, this laptop delivers fast and efficient performance, making it ideal for demanding applications and multitasking. Memory and storage options range from 8GB to 64GB of DDR4 RAM paired with a 512GB PCIe SSD, ensuring smooth operation and providing ample storage space for files and applications. The laptop features integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, offering enhanced visual performance for graphics-intensive tasks and multimedia content. Enjoy vibrant and crisp visuals on the high-quality display options, including a Full HD OLED touchscreen display with 360-degree rotation for versatile usage. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, Thunderbolt ports, USB Type-A ports, and microSD card readers, enabling seamless connectivity with various devices and peripherals. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home, offering a modern and user-friendly operating system optimized for enhanced productivity and entertainment. Designed with a sleek and portable form factor, this laptop features a backlit keyboard, space aluminum finish, and a full-size island-style keyboard for comfortable typing and stylish aesthetics. Overall, the HP Envy X360 combines performance, design, and features to deliver a versatile and high-quality computing experience, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a premium convertible laptop for work and entertainment. The HP EliteBook 840G5 with Intel Core i7-8550U is a cutting-edge laptop engineered for professionals seeking superior performance and security in a portable package. Powered by a robust Intel Core i7-8550U processor clocked at 1.80 GHz and equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, this laptop effortlessly handles heavy workloads and multitasking. The 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD ensures ample high-speed storage for your files, applications, and data, enhancing productivity. Featuring a 14-inch LED backlight display with a sharp 1920 by 1080 resolution, the EliteBook 840G5 delivers stunning visuals with exceptional clarity for work and entertainment. Its integrated Intel UHD graphics 620 seamlessly handles everyday graphical tasks. Connectivity is versatile with USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, Thunderbolt via USB Type-C, HDMI 1.4b, a docking connector, and an audio combo jack, offering flexible options for peripherals and external displays. Security is paramount with features like HP Sure Start, HP Sure View, a TPM 2.0 chip, and a fingerprint reader, safeguarding your sensitive data and privacy. Designed for professionals on the move, the EliteBook 840G5 combines power and portability in a sleek, durable chassis. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing documents, or attending virtual meetings, this laptop delivers reliable performance and efficiency. Pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, now upgradable to Windows 11 Professional, this laptop offers a user-friendly interface and innovative features for an optimal computing experience. In summary, the HP EliteBook 840G5 is a versatile solution for professionals who demand performance, security, and mobility. Whether in the office or on the go, this laptop empowers productivity and creativity without compromising on reliability or security. The HP Victus 15.6-inch with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 is a powerful gaming machine designed to deliver immersive experiences. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, featuring 6 cores and turbo clock speeds up to 4.55 GHz, this laptop ensures smooth performance for gaming and multitasking. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card brings realistic visuals and enables smooth gameplay for modern titles. With a generous 32GB of DDR5 4800 MHz RAM and a spacious 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD, the Victus laptop offers ample memory and storage for storing games, media files, and applications, enhancing overall speed and responsiveness. The 15.6-inch Full HD display boasts a high refresh rate of 144 Hz and IPS technology, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details while minimizing motion blur. The anti-glare coating ensures comfortable viewing even in brightly lit environments. Connectivity options are plentiful with HDMI 2.1, USB-A 3.1 ports, a USB-C 3.0 port, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, enabling seamless integration with peripherals and external displays. The inclusion of a backlit keyboard enhances usability during gaming sessions in low-light conditions. Additional features like the HP Wide Vision HD camera with built-in microphone facilitate video calls and streaming, offering clear visuals and audio. Running on Windows 11, the Victus gaming laptop provides a modern and intuitive operating system tailored for gaming and productivity. In summary, the HP Victus 15.6-inch is a compelling choice for gamers seeking a balance of performance and affordability. With its powerful hardware configuration, high refresh rate display, and ample memory and storage options, this laptop delivers impressive gaming experiences and multitasking capabilities.